A very good morning to you all, my dear students, and today we are going to start with your chapter 6, that is features in MS Word. There are many topics that we are going to cover today, and I have created three different sections for it, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Do watch the video and let me know if you have any queries. Please let me know any topic which is not clear to you. So, in this chapter, we'll particularly learn about MS Word and how to edit in MS Word. And as you all know, that MS Word is a package software created by Microsoft Corporation, and your MS Word is a word processing software. When I say word processing software, it means that these softwares are used for processing words, for inputting words, so that we can get the output as the print in the printed out format. So dear children, let's get started with the chapter. I'll be showing you two ways how to open your MS Word. So let me get started. So let me delete these few files which is already there, which I don't need. Okay, so starting with my practical. Okay, so what you need to do is that on your desktop, this is your desktop screen. Remember, dear children, this is your desktop screen, and on your desktop screen you need to right click on the free space. Remember, right click on the free space, then you just go to new Microsoft Office Word document. You have to select Microsoft Office Word document. So after selecting this one, you need to save this. So I'll simply use backspace, or you can use your delete key. You can simply use backspace or delete key for deleting it. All right, I'll be typing with my own name. So remember, dear children, this Sonu is will be my file name, and .doc will be the extension file name. Okay, my file is saved already in the desktop. The second step how to open your MS Word is you can simply click on your start button, then you can simply go to all programs, or you can also select from here. It's up to you. If you want to select from here, then well and good. If suppose you don't find it here, then you have to go to all programs, then you click on Microsoft Office, then you go to Microsoft Office Word. All right, Microsoft Office Word 2007, you might have different version. You might have 10, you might have 13, you might have 16 also. So mine one is 2007, so I'm going to use with that one only. So I'm clicking it right here. So I got this Microsoft Word window, and by default, dear children, it will always be written as document 1 or document 2 or document 3 here, the file name. So you need to change this file name. So in order to change this file name, you have to simply click on this office button, and you have to go to save as. You can select the location of the file from here. Like if you want to save it in the desktop, you can select desktop. If you want to save it in the downloads, you can select downloads. If you want to save it in documents, you can save it there in the documents. Then if you want to select in the C drive, you can select in your C drive. If you want to select in your D drive, you can also select in your D drive for saving the file. So here I'll be saving with Shivam's name. Right, so Shivam is my file name. Once again, I'm repeating it, and DOC stands for extension file name, which is your document. So since I cannot use the keys over here, so I'll simply use my enter key. You can even use your enter key, or if you find the button save button over there, then you can always use the save button also. I'm simply going to strike enter. Once I strike enter, you can see my file name has changed from document 2 to Shivam. So if you minimize this one, dear children, you'll be finding your Shivam over here in your desktop only. All right, I can see it right now. You can see it in my laptop screen in the desktop. So starting with my office button, dear children, here if you click on new, you will get a new. Suppose if you click on new, you want to create a new file, then you can simply click on blank document and you can create it. If you create a new file, will come here. Did you see documentary? So as of now we don't need this, so we are going to close it. So this is my Shivam doc. So next, suppose if I want to open Diksha, all right, so you can open Diksha. See, diksha.doc. So as of now I don't need this file, you don't need this file. So simultaneously sometimes you can work with two files also at the same time, like with the Shivam and with the Diksha also. All right, so you can close this one. Then the next, save. So dear children, whenever you do some work, if you want to save it again and again, then you will be using this option. You will not be using as save as. Save as is for saving for the first time, whereas save is for saving again and again. So here you have print preview. You will be getting three options for printing, that is print, quick print, print preview. If you click in the print preview, you will get this kind of preview, like how does it look when you try to print your document. Okay, this is your preview. So I'm going back to my document. So, and prepare, send and publish, we don't need all these, so we can, and if you click here close, it will simply close the file. It will simply close this shivam.doc. So dear children, let me type something and start with your chapter, like hello class 6, welcome to online tutorial. So I'll be giving you a complete online tutorial classic. So I'm very happy actually to share with you all my laptop screen today. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'll explain you all these things over here which is available in your MS Word. So firstly I'll go with customize access toolbar. So this is your customize access toolbar. That means you can add few tools which you want to add, so that it will be easily accessible for you, so that you can easily use it whenever you want to use it. Like see, I have put this save button because we often need to save it again and again, yes or no? So sorry for the interruption, you need to save it again and again every time, so that's why. See, can you see something was running over here? So whenever you click on this, it will keep on saving. Suppose I write hi, how are you all? Alright, so I want to save it. Kindly focus, you all focus over here. You will see it is getting saved. Did you see? So it is already been saved. So next, this is your redo button, this is your undo button. See, redo, undo button. This is your bulletin numbering, this is your borders and shading. So this is called quick access toolbar, or often called as QAT, because you can easily access the buttons very fast over here. So there are one more thing, many a times it happens in the practical time, you often by mistake click this one, then your whole ribbon disappears. So if you want back your ribbon, you can simply click on minimize the ribbon. But in 2010 I found that there is a heart shaped like over here, then when you click on that, your ribbon hides and your ribbon unhides again. Alright, so it is different with different version of MS Word, Office, MS Office. So starting with your home, so here you have a clipboard group where you have cut, copy, paste. Suppose if you select this, then cut, copy, did you see? Cut, it's working. Then again if you press Ctrl V, it's coming back again. See, if I select this one, cut, but if I paste it, see, it is getting paste again. Again I will cut, I'll just I'll copy it. Suppose I want to paste it somewhere here down, then I'll just paste. Did you see it's getting paste, cut and paste? So this is format painter. As of now we don't need that one. So let's go to